What if your words could make her crave you? Imagine a conversation so electric she's leaning in, hanging on every syllable, and replaying your voice in her head long after you're gone. Most men stumble through shallow talk, but not you. You're about to learn how to wield words that awaken her curiosity, ignite her desire, and leave her wanting more, without ever being obvious or desperate. These 10 phrases aren't for the faint-hearted. They're crafted to stir emotions, spark tension, and create undeniable chemistry. Master them, and you won't just capture her attention, you'll dominate her thoughts. 1. There's something about the way you move. It's mesmerizing. This phrase is a perfect mix of compliment and intrigue. By focusing on her movements, you elevate the conversation beyond appearance, making her hyper-aware of her body language in your presence. It's a subtle way to make her think about how you see her in a way that feels personal and unique. The key to delivering this phrase lies in timing. Use it when she's doing something natural, like brushing her hair aside, walking confidently, or gesturing expressively. Let your tone be calm, slightly low, and sincere. Say it as if you're lost in the moment, not rehearsed. This isn't just a statement, it's an invitation for her to wonder what else you've noticed about her. It's not uncommon for her to respond with a playful smile or ask, "What do you mean?" If she does, let the mystery linger. It's hard to explain. It's just something about the way you carry yourself. 2. I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need. Playful and full of tension, this line flips the script on ordinary flirting by introducing an element of mystery and excitement. It frames her as captivating, a little dangerous, and entirely irresistible. The beauty of this phrase is that it lets her wonder what kind of trouble she might be in your eyes. Deliver this line when she teases you, makes a bold comment, or surprises you in some way. Pair it with a smirk and let your tone be both amused and slightly daring. Pause after saying it to give her time to process, and lean into the playful tension. If she challenges you back, double down with a lighthearted follow-up like, "I'm still figuring you out, but I'm intrigued." The push and pull dynamic keeps the energy alive, making her want to prove herself to you. 3. Are you always this distracting, or is it just me? This phrase lightly flips the power dynamic, putting her in the spotlight as the one holding your attention. It's teasing without being aggressive, playful yet filled with subtle attraction. The perfect moment to use this is when she's captured your attention in a way that feels natural, whether she's laughing, leaning in, or giving you that undeniable look. Deliver it with a playful grin and watch how she reacts. This line works because it suggests that she has an effect on you without making her the center of your world. She'll enjoy the hidden compliment in the teasing and feel more connected to the playful energy you're creating. 4. You've got this way of making everything around you feel charged. This phrase elevates the interaction to a deeper, more intimate level. It's not just about noticing her, it's about attributing a magnetic energy to her presence. Women want to feel powerful and desired, and this line does both without being overbearing. Say this during a quieter moment when the energy between you is already building. Maybe she's laughing at something you said, or you're catching her gaze during a pause in the conversation. Speak slowly with a slightly lower tone, and hold eye contact for a moment longer than usual. The pause before charged is crucial. It lets her anticipate the word, making it land with more impact. The subtle intimacy of this line ensures she'll replay the moment in her mind, wondering how she managed to captivate you so completely. 5. If I told you what I'm really thinking right now, I'm not sure we'd finish this conversation. This phrase is powerful because it's both suggestive and mysterious. It doesn't say too much, but it implies enough to leave her wondering. The ambiguity allows her imagination to run wild, making her think about you in a way that's undeniably charged. Timing is everything with this line. Use it when the chemistry is already bubbling, when there's laughter, shared closeness, or a quiet intensity between you. Pair it with a slight smile and steady eye contact, then let the silence that follows do the work. If she asks what you're thinking, respond with a playful, "I don't think you're ready for that." The back and forth creates an electric dynamic that leaves her wanting more. 6. I don't think you're ready for someone like me. This phrase is a bold statement of confidence designed to flip the dynamic and make her chase you. By suggesting that she might not be ready for what you bring to the table, you introduce playful tension and intrigue. It challenges her in a way that's irresistible. She'll naturally want to prove you wrong. The key is to deliver this line with a mix of playfulness and self-assuredness. Say it when she teases you or playfully challenges you, and let your tone suggest a combination of amusement and mystery. Pair it with a smirk, as if you know something she doesn't. If she laughs or asks why, you can double down with, "You've got this energy, but I'm not sure if you can handle mine." It keeps the conversation dynamic and positions you as someone who's confident without coming across as arrogant. 7. The way you just looked at me? I could get used to that. This phrase is flirtatious and direct, but without being overly aggressive. It's about acknowledging a moment of connection, like a shared glance, a smile, or a subtle shift in body language that signals attraction. Use this line when the tension is already simmering, perhaps after she holds your gaze a little too long or gives you a coy smile. Your delivery should be calm, with a touch of playfulness. Pair it with eye contact to make the moment even more intimate. The brilliance of this line is that it shifts the focus onto her actions, making her feel like the one creating the chemistry. It also invites her to reciprocate, either by smiling back or leaning into the flirtation. 8. Picture us trying something wild together. We'd either nail it or completely mess it up. Hypothetical scenarios are a fantastic way to stir her imagination and create a sense of adventure between you. By inviting her to picture the two of you sharing a bold or playful experience, you plant the idea of partnership and make the interaction feel exciting and fun. Tailor the activity to her personality or interests. If she mentions she loves the outdoors, say, "Imagine us rock climbing together. You'd either show me up or we'd end up stuck halfway up a cliff." If she's into dancing, try, "Picture us in a salsa class. Think we'd turn heads or trip over our feet." Keep your tone light and teasing, and let her build on the scenario. The shared visualization creates a playful connection and positions you as someone who could bring excitement into her life. 9. You're dangerous. You might be exactly what I've been looking for. This phrase masterfully combines admiration with a sense of risk. By framing her as both thrilling and irresistible, you make her feel like the ultimate catch while hinting at the tension she stirs in you. It's the kind of line that makes her think, "What does he see in me?" Use this after she does something bold, witty, or unexpected, like making a cheeky comment or confidently holding your gaze. Your delivery should be smooth and steady with just enough intensity to make it land. If she laughs or responds with curiosity, follow up with, "I like a little danger." It keeps life interesting. This keeps the energy playful but undeniably charged. 10. There's something about you I can't quite figure out. It's addictive. Mystery is one of the most powerful tools of attraction, and this line uses it to perfection. By framing her as captivating yet enigmatic, you tap into her desire to be seen as unique and intriguing. The word addictive adds an extra layer of intensity, suggesting that she has an irresistible pull on you. Drop this line during a moment of shared intimacy, maybe when the conversation takes a deeper turn or when the chemistry between you feels palpable. Let your tone be thoughtful and slightly low, as if you're genuinely lost in the moment. When she asks, "What do you mean?" don't give a full answer. Instead, smile and say, "It's hard to explain. You're just different in the best way." The ambiguity keeps her hooked, wondering what exactly you see in her that others don't. Put these phrases to the test in your next conversation. Watch how the dynamic shifts, the chemistry builds, and the connection becomes unforgettable. Don't wait. Try them tonight and see the difference for yourself.